Hi guys, Velian here, Velian. Welcome back on my channel. Finally, I'm getting a new update for my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Long story short guys, this phone is bought from here, from Bulgaria, and of course it has been running with the Bulgarian CSC. And yeah, what should I say? Only one update, which was the One UI 3.0 stable. But thanks to my friend System Hacks, you can check his channel out there. He told me how I can go back in time to the One UI 2.5 with Android 10, change my CSC to something better, which right now I'm using the DVT one from Germany, because we know that if you have a Samsung phone running with an Exynos processor, then your choice is DVT Germany, because they are getting really updates, right? And now guys, I'm back on the One UI 3.0 and I'm indeed receiving the very first update. So this firmware has the version number PDA, you can check it up, M986BAX S1CUA2, and the CSC is CTL5. The operating system of this firmware is still of course Android 11, and the build date is 22nd of December, a few days before Christmas, but the security patch date is from the 1st of January this year. And I'm gonna be installing it right now guys together with you and checking if there are any new things that I can share with you or find, right? So again, thanks to System Hacks, I'm now back in the game, and hopefully I'm gonna get these updates really almost in real time so that I'm able to really contribute for my channel and to you guys. So I'm hitting the install button right now. Once this baby is installed, we're gonna be checking some things and compare some of the versions that we had before and just see what improvements there could be, because Samsung are not letting us know too much with the changelog. Stay tuned. Don't forget, every time you do update your system software, something like this is gonna happen, where your application apparently are gonna be optimized. Now, we're not really sure 100% what this means, but hey, you just have to give it some time and allow, I used to say this, allow the ROM to just go into its new home, which is eventually your phone. The end goal here is to get this message: software update, your phone has been updated. Press OK. Now guys, I'm gonna go here to settings, and I'm gonna go directly to about phone. Just make sure that I don't really have yet another update. So software update, I'm directly checking if there is something else, but no, your software is up to date. And we can see right now here the current version and mainly the security patch from the 1st of January 2021. So far, so good. This is only good news. Let's do some random checks here guys. Usually what I check, I do like this, and then I go here to the settings and I just scroll down and I see the home screen. So we have now home screen version 12.0.0.0 One UI 3. It's pretty much the same. Latest version is installed. Another thing that we can check for sure guys is, let's go to the Galaxy Store, right, and then accept of course all the terms. Here you see there is an update for the Galaxy Store. I'm just gonna update the Galaxy Store, and once I'm done with the Galaxy Store, I'm also gonna check what of the Samsung stock apps need updates, because remember, some of the applications that Samsung is developing are getting updates quicker on their own Galaxy Store before they are pushed to the Android Play Store. So don't forget to check this. I have launched the application again, and we can see we have a staggering 22 updates that are waiting. So 22 applications waiting for an update. But let's do some other check guys. We're gonna go here into the settings, then biometrics and security. And then we can check again security update, indeed 1st of January this year. And we can also click here to more biometrics settings and just see biometric security patch. Are we running the latest ones? The biometric security patch, fingerprint 5101 and face recognition 2007. This is indeed right now the latest one. Another check we can do from some of the stock Samsung application is we can start the camera, okay? And when we start the camera guys, we can apparently go into the settings and then scroll down below about camera version 11.0.0.1.10. So this is the latest version already installed. This is really the latest ROM that I'm getting right now for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And now with the German CSC code guys, I really hope that I'm gonna get all these updates in time so I can keep doing my videos almost in real time. With that said guys, please stay safe, like I always say, and we're gonna catch up in my next videos. VST over and bye.